Christopher Stalford was a Northern Irish politician who was a Democratic Unionist Party member of the Northern Ireland Assembly for South Belfast from the 2016 election until his death in 2022. Stalford was born in the Annandale Flats in South Belfast on 17 January 1983. He studied nearby at Wellington College Belfast and Queen's University Belfast. After graduation he worked in the European office of Jim Allister 3 days a week and the office of Peter Weir 2 days a week. He then moved to the DUP press office for 6 years and then onto the policy unit. At the 2005 local elections, he was elected to Belfast City Council, representing the Laganbank area. At the 2014 local elections, Laganbank was abolished and he was re-elected for the Balmoral area. Stalford served as High Sheriff of Belfast in 2010. Aged only 27, the Belfast Telegraph described him as the youngest ever High Sheriff of the city. He was elected as Deputy Lord Mayor for the 2013-14 term. In 2008 he was selected as the chairman of the Belfast District Policing Partnership. At the 2016 Northern Ireland Assembly election, he was one of 2 DUP candidates elected in South Belfast. Stalford died suddenly on 19 February 2022 at the age of 39. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.